They came from every corner of the country, carrying with them months of hard training, hope, and determination. Each one dreamed of victory, of winning gold, silver, or bronze, their hearts set on crossing the finish line first. The stadium filled with energy as the crowd gathered, their excitement rising for the final race of the day. 9 athletes stood ready at the starting line, their minds focused, their hearts racing, waiting for the signal to begin. The pistol fired, and in an instant, they surged forward, giving everything they had. But suddenly one runner stumbled. The smallest among them fell, hitting the ground hard as the race moved on without him. Pain and disappointment filled his eyes. In that moment, all his effort, all his dreams, seemed to slip away. Then something unexpected happened. The other runners slowed down and stopped. One by one, they turned back, leaving the race behind and walked toward the fallen boy. They helped him up, stood beside him, and together all 9 joined hands. What began as a race became a walk, a powerful symbol of unity, compassion, and true sportsmanship. Together they crossed the finish line, not as competitors, but as one. The crowd rose in applause, moved by a moment that redefined victory. That day there were no winners or losers, only 9 champions, each deserving of a gold medal.